So I gave you a quick little glimpse of my makeup organizer. I put a few of my makeup items on this organizer. I cannot wait to put all my makeup in this makeup organizer. Absolutely love how compact it is. You could actually use it as a makeup organizer, or you could use it in an office if you need to, but I absolutely love these clear drawers. They completely come all the way out, and it makes it so easy to organize my makeup. You could organize your makeup, you could organize nail polishes. It also has a space up here to put anything that you want, so you could place like your powder, your lipsticks, anything like that. Also on this edge right here, I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this stuff out just so I could clearly show you how spacious this makeup organizer is. So let me go ahead and take everything out and just show you one by one everything that this organizer has. So as you can see here, it does have the backing right here. It has a divider right here, and then a longer one right here. The thing is that these are pretty deep. So as you can see, this is like a full mascara tube, and it simply just stands on there. It also has this other one. So these two are kind of like the same size. And then it has a smaller one right here within these two little individual ones. So as you can see, this is like basically the top view of what the makeup organizer looks like. And then this is what the front looks like. So definitely versatile. You could use it in your makeup room, in your restroom, in an office. I would highly recommend. Definitely worth the grab.